can you tell that your polymer clay is done baking? Well, here's the thing. Your polymer clay is going to remain a little bit flexible and maybe even kind of soft until it's completely cooled. So how to tell it's done baking is simple. You read the package and you bake for the appropriate time and temperature that it says on the package. A lot of people invent their own time and temperatures, or they say, well, I'm just gonna bake it for 10 hours at a really low temperature and that's gonna do it. That is not going to do it. Your polymer clays are a chemical compound, and the chemists who made it know what it needs to cure at in order to be permanent. So you need to follow the instructions. If you are mixing brands of polymer clay, generally the way to do that would be to bake it for the longest time at the highest temperature that it will tolerate. So you need to experiment a little bit. And basically your polymer clay is done baking when the plasticizers inside of it have cured out and become solid. So then you have a piece of clay that's going to stand the test of time, not be too brittle, not break apart, not crack. So basically what I'm saying here is follow the instructions.